Good morning. So we are now at the final stage of the project, which is yung desktop standee logo. I don't know how to call it. And we are now at the debugging phase. I have done the initial programming. I have done the device optimization ng konti, pero hindi pa siya na-finalize. So now, I am cleaning up the firmware script, the program, para i-burn na natin dun sa unit as version 1.0. And just wait a while. I'm just cleaning up. So this is na-force ako na mag-calculate because yung ating motor, the servo that I bought, it did not adhere to the spec sheet really of the servo, so adjustments have to be made, and it seems that we're good to go. Let me try. Saksak natin. So this is what we are talking about. This is the project. This is actually a logo of GCF Nuvali, and this becomes a tabletop, I don't know how you call it. So you can see the gap ng face, so it's still open, hindi pa siya sealed. I still need to seal that with silicone sealant after all the electricals have been confirmed and the firmware is sure na gumagana. So now at this stage, even the base is still not closed. It's just there, pero bukas yan. Buksan natin so that you can see what's the inside. And please bear with me sa aking soldering because I'm getting old. I cannot see so much, kaya yung maliit na wiring medyo hirap na ako. So this is an if you can see that, that's an Arduino Nano, and this is the base servo motor, and I have to do these wires. So I am powering those motors, dalawa, one motor here and another one to drive this with the Nano, so you can see it there. So the whole design integrated lahat sa loob, so everything is inside. Yung pwesto ng motherboard and everything is integrated in the design. Now let's power up. Oops, hindi makita. Let's find an angle na makita nyo. Masikip yung aking mga abubot. Sorry guys. Although I'm not really terribly sorry, but I just say that. Okay, let's flash the latest firmware. Okay, yan na ngayon ang ating project. It rotates. Of course, everything is programmable, but in simple, how to say, demonstration of motion, yan na muna yung aking ginawa. So it rotates one way, first yung base, and then it rotates the logo, and then it rotates synchronous para mapakita lang yung synchronous. Na yung home ng logo ay it's quite oblique ng konti so that it's fresh to the eyes. Kasi kung straight na 90 degrees, like full vertical, hindi sa mata, hindi, if you are putting this in your desk, so hindi siya tugma sa eye level. So I have to create a little bit of oblique, so like 20 degree shift. And then this actually, itong portion na to, I'm holding it now because hindi nyo makita sa camera. This actually is a pen holder din. There's a pen holder function there at the side. You can see. Oops. Yung nakikita. Yan. That's a pen holder. I should have a better pen para ipakita sa inyo. Which unfortunately I don't have. Anyway, just this pen. So it's a pen holder. And it's a nice addition to your desk kasi ano siya, no? You know, sometimes you get so stressed out and work ka sa computer mo and you get stressed out. So you just plug it into your USB and you can see it moving there. You can hear the servos running in the background. So it just parang meron kang reset button sa iyong utak and then you just refresh it. Gumagawa ka habang gumagalaw-galaw lang dyan sa tabi mo. If you get tired of it, if you get bored of it, you just pull out the USB cable and then it stops where it is. You just put it back in any USB cable or any USB charger or any USB port of your computer, then it starts to run again. Now if you want to program it sa yung motion, gusto mong klaseng motion, you can even do the programming yourself, no? Okay, so hopefully this is let me save this firmware para may document ko na. And that's it for now. So this is the automation logo project, and yeah, ito ay powered by a USB. So there's a port there. I hope you can see it. It's cut from the base circle so that it has a bit of a flat area there para sa USB. Okay, that's it. And for those na interested din sa mga moving things, these are simple demonstration lang na pagpapagalaw. So the same principles apply to big industrial robots, no? So they're just big and they are more accurately controlled, pero the same principles of parang kinematics as well as yung electrical controls ay nag-a-apply. So ito yung siguro yung pinaka basic ways o pinaka basic implementations itong robotics. Okay, I will seal this off. Sarado ko na ito ng silicone sealant, so this becomes the final product. Okay, God bless everyone.